Today's featured style is the Lumileds LUXEON Rebel General Purpose White. Gainer LED focus on LED components distribution for 14 years. Lumileds LUXEON Rebel General Purpose White LEDs. These LEDs enable endless lighting possibilities that are more efficient and reliable, longer lasting, and reduce CO2 emissions. This series has two color temperatures, cool white for 500K 1000K and neutral white 350K 450K. These LEDs are ideal for all lighting and illumination applications. Gainer LED, as a distributor of Lumileds, offers a variety of color temperatures, prioritizing genuine products.